Watch me paint my pool with Valspar's 2024 Color of the Year, and also give my backyard an entire refresh. Now that it's finally bearable to go outside, I was ready to spruce things up a bit. I started off by applying Valspar's semi-transparent stain to our cedar fence in the color Simply Cedar. I was shook at the difference it made. Next, I mixed up some concrete to fill the little holes throughout our walkway, and then it got to staining. This is Valspar's solid concrete stain in the color Concrete Gray. I applied it with a 1/2-inch nap 9-inch roller and went on like a dream. I did 2 coats total. Saving the best for last, our pool. This stock pool is made of galvanized steel, so I used Valspar's Exterior Primer and Sealer. After that dried, I applied the color Bistro White and Valspar's Exterior Defense to the top and bottom of the pool. Look at that 1 coat coverage. Dreamy. Drum roll, please. The color of the year is Renew Blue. Isn't it gorgeous? It is such a calming color. Now remember this is what it looked like before, and this is the after. Isn't it just wild how a few coats of paint and stain can transform an entire space? I cannot wait to spend more time out here this fall. So head over to Valspar.com and order up to 10 free paint chips delivered to your home and see how your favorite colors can transform your space.